makita yung ilaw mo yan. You can't shut it off. Hindi mo pwede. Hindi. Patay mo yung ilaw mo. Okay. I think, keep going straight. I mean, move forward. Move forward. Move forward. There you go. Keep going. Straight. Move. Gapang. Bakit sa kanan mo. Go. Gapang. Okay, good.
Oh, it's right to the left.
It's okay, he has clearance.
Okay, babak ka na. Slow. Okay, good. Straight ka lang. Keep going. Okay, driver a little bit. Okay, just keep going straight. Keep going.
Oh, is it?
Okay, now turn. Yeah, go turn. Turn. Yep, clear ka. Yep. Okay, up. Back a little bit. Right there. Okay, full turn. Passenger. Driver, yeah. Okay, you're good.
Good job, Nathaniel!